Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
As we grow old, our skin starts to show signs of aging. It starts losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Sagging of skin is a natural process and is irreversible, but it can be reduced and delayed. Often, people opt for cosmetic surgeries that are very costly and have side effects. Fortunately, there are some home remedies to tighten skin. They are simple and easy and also work effectively to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Sagging skin is one of the main signs of aging and is most prominently seen on the face. Wrinkles and furrows are the first signs you see as you age. With age, the collagen synthesis in the skin becomes slower, causing the skin to lose its elasticity and sag. That was once evenly distributed beneath the skin and holding it up starts to lose volume and forms clumps. These clumps begin to sag due to gravity. Excessive exposure to sunlight damages the collagen and elastin in the skin, causing them to unravel and make the skin saggy. Cigarette smoke and air pollution are other factors that becomes the cause of wrinkle formation and sagging skin. Coconut oil for skin tightening. You will need virgin coconut oil. Massage the oil in upward circular motions on the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes and leave the oil on overnight. Coconut oil penetrates into deeper layers of the skin and rejuvenates the skin cells. It keeps the skin hydrated and nourished. Its antioxidants eliminate free radicals that are damaging your skin and speeding up the aging process. Do this every night before going to bed. Mustard oil for skin tightening. Take half cup mustard oil. Heat the oil until it becomes lukewarm. Before taking a shower, massage in upward motions for about 5 minutes to your entire body and as usual take shower. Mustard oil tightens skin and makes your skin glow. The skin is rejuvenated as blood circulation is enhanced because of the mustard oil massage. Repeat this 2 to 3 times in a week. Mustard oil can sometimes cause skin inflammation. Do a patch test before using it to massage your skin. Rosemary oil for skin tightening. You will need half cucumber and 1 tablespoon rosemary oil. Peel and grind the cucumber to get a smooth liquid. Add rosemary oil to it and mix well. Apply this on the face and other affected areas and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. This essential oil improves blood circulation, and it tones your loose skin. The antioxidants present enhance the production of fibroblasts and improve the skin's elasticity. Use this remedy once in every 3 to 4 days. Almond oil for skin tightening. You will need almond oil. Massage almond oil on your body for 20 minutes before taking a shower. Oil is rich in vitamin E and provides moisture to the skin. It visibly reduces skin sagging and tightens skin naturally. Do this every day or at least every alternate day. Avocado oil for skin tightening. You will need avocado oil. Massage the loose and sagging skin in upward motions with avocado oil for about 15 minutes. Leave it for an hour or so and then wash it off. Avocado oil is highly moisturizing in nature and penetrates deep into the skin. It also boosts collagen synthesis, and this greatly improves the firmness of your skin. Do this once every day. Oil for skin tightening. You will need vitamin E capsules. Pierce a few vitamin E capsules and remove the oil present inside. Massage this oil on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave the oil on overnight. Vitamin E is essential for the skin to remain healthy, glowing, and firm. Its antioxidant nature prevents the skin from free radical damage and improves the skin's health and appearance. Apply vitamin E oil every night before going to bed. Fish oil for skin tightening. You will need fish oil capsules. Puncture them and apply the oil present inside on your skin. Massage it for a couple of minutes. You can either leave the oil on overnight or wash it off after an hour. Fish oil contains plenty of omega fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the skin. The blood circulation to the skin is enhanced, and this impacts the cell renewal capacity of the skin. Your skin will soon become taut and glow. Repeat this every day before going to bed. Do not use this remedy if you are allergic to fish and fish products. Olive oil for skin tightening. You will need virgin olive oil. After taking a shower, pat your skin dry. Massage olive oil all over your body for a few minutes. Olive oil is the go-to remedy to seal moisture and keep your skin glowing. Use olive oil every day instead of a body lotion. Primrose oil for skin tightening. Take a few drops of primrose oil on your fingers and massage your face and neck in upward motions. Continue massaging for 5 to 7 minutes. Leave the oil on overnight. Primrose oil contains gamma-linolenic acid that aids in collagen synthesis and prominently reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Do this before going to bed every night. Argan oil for skin tightening. You can add a few drops of argan oil to your body lotion or use it by itself to massage your skin. Leave the oil on for the day. Argan oil nourishes the skin, gives it more elasticity and makes it firmer. These anti-aging effects of argan oil have been tested and tried by scientists and common people. Use argan oil in your daily skin moisturizing routine.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page, www.facebook.com/healthinfozone. Follow us on Twitter at HealthInfoTalk1.